sir, my name is Giri and the topic of my project for the ARM programming workshop at Think Labs is gesture control navigation of a robot. For explaining, I am dividing this video into two sections. First is about the components used and their hardware connections, and in the second section I have shown the working of the system. In this section I am going to tell you about all the components I have used and their connections. The accelerometer which I have used is NMA7361. I have interfaced it with the microcontroller LPC2148, which is an ARM7 microcontroller by Next Robotics. On the output side, I have used two L29 3Ds IC modules for driving the 4 motors. NMA7361 is a 3-axis accelerometer with 10 pins. On one side, we have 5 volts, 3.3 volts, ground, GS and ST pins. The accelerometer can work at either 5 volts or 3.3 volts, where I have used 3.3 volts supplied from the microcontroller. The next pin is ground and then GS, which is for G sensitivity, which is 1.5 G by default, so no connection is made at this pin. And the last pin on this side is ST, which stands for self-test, which is also not connected. On the other side we have X, Y, Z, SL and 0G. The pins X, Y, Z give the voltage between 0 to 3.3 volts depending on the angle at which they are bent. Here 0 denotes minimum angle at which accelerometer can be bent and 3.3 being the maximum in each axis. I have only used X and Y for my project. The X and Y pins are connected to the pins 0.28 and 0.29, which are the two ADC pins on the microcontroller LPC2148. The next pin is SL, which stands for sleep. The accelerometer, when not connected to VCC at this point, is in sleep mode, that is a non-operational mode. To make it operational, that is to enable it, we give it a 3.3 volts by shorting it with a 3.3 volts pin over here of the accelerometer. And the last pin is 0G, which is used to detect free fall, so this pin is also not connected. LPC2148, the microcontroller which we are using, has two ports, port 0 and port 1. The connections are all made to and from port 0 for my project. Port 0 pin 0 is used for left side motor as the first bit to L293D. Port 0 pin 1 is used for the left side motor as the 0th bit to L293D. Port 0 pin 2 is used for right side motor as the first bit to L293D. Port 0 pin 3 is used for the right side motor as the 0th bit to L293D. Port 0 pin 28 is used for getting the value of X from the MMA7361 accelerometer. Port 0 pin 29 is used for getting the value of Y from the MMA7361 microcontroller. These two pins provide 3.3 volts and ground. LCD available on the microcontroller is also used to display the value of X and Y in volts and the direction of motion of the robot depending on the hand gesture detected by the accelerometer. Two L293Ds, as you can see, with FRC ends. The first and the 0th bit for the left and the right motor controller is given from the microcontroller by pin 0.0, 0.1 and 0.2, 0.3 respectively. The last two pins of the FRC are for VCC and ground. I have supplied a 5 volt externally to it for the operation of the two L293Ds. I have provided a 12 volt supply externally for the motors also. In this section I will be showing you the working of my whole project. Now as you can see, the accelerometer is parallel to the ground. So in this position the robot is not supposed to move, it should be in stop position. So both the motors should be off, as you can see right now, and even the LCD displays stop. Now I'll make my robot to move forward by doing a gesture of moving my accelerometer in front of me. As you can see, the robot is moving forward and the LCD also displays forward. Now I'll make the robot to stop again by bringing it back to the neutral position. As you can see, the robot has stopped now. And same can be done for any position as follows. For going left, the right side motors go forward and the left side motors go back. So this way goes left. And the same for right too. And finally, it can be brought back to stop position by bringing it to the neutral position, as you can see. Thank you.